Yes. Start, please.
আমি স্টার্ট করি।
Yes.
সরি বলা ছাড়া তার কোনো উপায় নেই। আমার এখানে কেবল ফল্ট হয়েছিল, তার জন্যই নেট চলে গেছিল। আমি অথরিটিকে ফোন করে তবে নেটটা পেলাম। তো টাইম তো শেষ হয়ে এসছে, তবুও কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কথা যেটুকু না বললেই নয়। অন্য কথাগুলি হয়ে গেছে, সাংগঠনিক কথা, যে প্ল্যাটফর্মে আমরা দাঁড়িয়ে কিছু করতে চাই সেই সব কথা। তো আমি সরাসরি সাবজেক্টে আসতে চাইছি। সে হচ্ছে, আমি অনলাইনে একটা ভিডিও রেকর্ডিং দিয়েছি। একটি ছেলে পরিযায়ী শ্রমিক। আমি প্রথমে বাংলায় একটু বলে নিই, পরে ইংলিশে বলছি। ফার্স্ট আই এম টেলিং ইন স্পিকিং ইন বেঙ্গলি, দেন আই মাস্ট টেল ইউ ইন ইংলিশ। তো ও পরিযায়ী শ্রমিক, ও এসেছে বাইরে থেকে, তো এসে কোভিড পজিটিভ হয়েছে। তো আমার একটা ছাত্র তাকে ও চলে যাবে, গিয়ে তো হসপিটালে নিয়ে যাবে, কল্যাণীতেই, আমার এই কল্যাণীতেই নিয়ে এসেছে, কিন্তু ওকে কার্বোভ্যাক্সিন বানিয়ে দিয়েছে। তো লাভটা এই হয়েছে যে 3 দিনের মধ্যে নেগেটিভ হয়ে ও আবার বাড়ি চলে গেছে। তাহলে এই যে 14 দিনের যে কোয়ারেন্টাইনের কথা বলা হচ্ছে, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমার কার্বোভেজ কতখানি সফল? 14 দিনের 3 4 12, 3 6 হ্যাঁ 3 4 12, মানে 5 ভাগের 1 ভাগ সময়ের মধ্যে একটা মানুষ, মানে কোভিড পজিটিভ মানুষ ঠিক হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে তো সুস্থ মানুষকে কোয়ারেন্টাইনে রেখে যে খরচা হচ্ছে তারও কোনো দরকার নেই। তাহলে এই ঘটনা, এটা চোখ খুলে দেওয়ার পক্ষে যথেষ্ট যে যা কিছু ঘটছে সবকিছুই কিন্তু হচ্ছে আমাদের কর্মকর্তাদের অদূরদর্শিতার জন্যে, মানে যেখানে কিছু করবার সুযোগ ছিল তাকে সুযোগ না দেওয়ার জন্যে। এ কথা যেমন ঠিক, অন্যদিকে এটাও ঠিক যে আমরা হয়তো সেভাবে তাদেরকে প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারিনি কি আমরা পারি আর কি আমরা পারি না। তো যখন রেসপেক্টেড গৌতম বাবু এসেছেন গিয়ে, তাহলে আমরা এবার নিশ্চয়ই প্রমাণ করে দেবো যে আমরা কি পারি। যা আদার প্যাথি, ইনক্লুডিং ক্লাসিক্যাল হোমিওপ্যাথি, আদার প্যাথি, কারোর কাছে যেটা নেই সেটা আমাদের কাছে আছে, এবং তার সায়েন্টিফিক ভিউ, বৈজ্ঞানিক ভিত্তি কি আছে সেইটা সহ আমরা প্রেজেন্ট করব পৃথিবীর কাছে আগামী দিনে সেটি। এবার আজকের একটা ঘটনা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, জানা খুব জরুরি, ওটাও অনলাইনে ছিল। আমি সেখানে একটা কথা ছিল, আমি সবাইকে একটা প্রশ্ন করব। অনলাইনে ছিল যে 1986 সালে, আমি পরে ইংলিশে বলছি, 1986 সালে বোস্টনে, আমেরিকার বোস্টনে একটা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করা হয়েছিল। কি করা হয়েছিল? একটা মানুষকে দেওয়া হয়েছিল,
পাকিস্তানের বন্ধু আছে আমাদের সঙ্গে।
আচ্ছা, আমি বাংলায় বলবো, ইংরেজিতেই বলবো। আই মাস্ট স্পিক ইন ইংলিশ। আমি শুধু বাঙালিদের কাছে একটা প্রশ্ন রেখে দেই, এই প্রশ্নের উত্তরটা আমি ইংলিশে বলার পরে নেব। সেটা হলো, যখন একটা ফাঁসির কথা শোনানো হলো, এরপরে বিজ্ঞানীরা ওর উপর একটা এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করতে চাইলেন যে না, আমরা ওর উপর এক্সপেরিমেন্ট করব, তো আমাদেরকে অনুমতি দেওয়া হোক। গভর্নমেন্ট এবং কারা কর্তৃপক্ষ অনুমতি দিলে তাকে বলা হলো যে তোমার মৃত্যুদণ্ড কার্যকর করা হবে ফাঁসিতে নয়, বিষাক্ত সাপের দংশন দিয়ে। যথারীতি ঠিক সময়ে হাত পা বেঁধে দেওয়া হলো চেয়ারের সঙ্গে, চোখটা পট্টি বেঁধে দেওয়া হলো। বেঁধে দেওয়ার পর তাকে কোবরা সাপের পরিবর্তে 2টো পিন ফুটিয়ে দেওয়া হলো। তো 1 সেকেন্ডের মধ্যে লোকটা মারা।
স্যার মিউট হয়ে গেছে, শোনা যাচ্ছে না স্যার, মিউট হয়ে গেছে।
আর কি হলো না, প্রমাণ বলা হলো যে ওর শরীরে সাপের বিষ আছে, কিন্তু সাপের বিষ ছিল না, আর সাপ ওকে কামড়ায়নি, সাপের বিষ ছিল। প্রশ্ন করা হলো, আমি ইংলিশে ধীরে ধীরে বলবো, বাংলাটা তাড়াতাড়ি বলে নি, আসল কথাটা বলবো এবার। সে হলো, সাপ কামড়ায়নি, তবু সাপের বিষ এলো কোথা থেকে? তো বলা হলো, বিজ্ঞানীরা বললেন যে ওর মধ্যে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এসেছিল যে ওকে সাপের বিষ দিয়ে মারা হবে, তাই ওর রক্তে সাপের বিষ এসেছে। তাহলে আমরা যদি পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং করি তাহলে আমাদের কোনো রোগ ভোগ হবে না। আমি পৃথিবীর বিজ্ঞানীদের সঙ্গে একমত নই, একদম একমত নই। আমার গবেষণা থেকে আমি বলতে পারি যে এই কথাটা অবৈজ্ঞানিক। আমি বলবো আমার করোনা হবে না, আমার করোনা হবে না। আমি বলবো আমার করোনা হবে, আমার করোনা হবে। আমি প্রথম দিন বলেছিলাম সাইকোলজিক্যাল কোভিড। কথা হলো আমি ভাববো কি করে যে আমার করোনা হবে না? আমি আমার গবেষণায় এটা প্রমাণ করেছি। সেটা হলো আমি পজিটিভ চিন্তা করব না নেগেটিভ চিন্তা করব, এটা ডিপেন্ড করে আমার সিকনেসের উপরে। সিকনেস মানে হলো প্রেজেন্স অফ 6 ট্রু ডিজিজেস। এই 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি আমার মধ্যে রিসেসিভ থাকে তাহলে আমার মধ্যে পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং আসবে। 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি প্রিডমিনেন্ট হয় আমার মধ্যে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং আসবে। তাহলে ট্রিটমেন্ট কিসের জন্য দরকার? আমি ফিজিক্যালি অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ মেন্টালি, মানে হলো 6 ট্রু ডিজিজকে কি করা না, তাকে রিসেসিভ করে দেওয়া। আমার কাছে একটা মানুষ দৌড়ে এসেছে, ডাক্তারবাবু বাঁচান। কেন? না আমার বাড়ির চারদিকে কোভিড, করোনা ভাইরাস রোগী, আমাকে বাঁচান। কি করা হলো? তাকে কার্বোভেজ দেওয়া হলো সিএম। 24 ঘন্টা পরে ফোন করে জানা হলো যে বাড়ির চারপাশে কোভিড এর কি অবস্থা। উনি বললেন আমি কালকে রাতে ভালো ঘুমিয়েছি, বাড়ির পাশের বাড়ির লোকের কি হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে আমার দেখার দরকার নেই, আমি অনেকদিন পর কালকে ঘুমিয়েছি। কার্বোভেজ সিএম তাকে ঘুম পাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে। মানে হলো তার মধ্যে থাকা ট্রু ডিজিজ গুলিকে, প্রিডমিনেন্ট ট্রু ডিজিজ গুলিকে, যার জন্য সে ছুটে এসেছিল তাকে রিসেসিভ করে দিয়েছে। এই রিসেসিভ হওয়ার ফলে সে এখন কোভিড আতঙ্ক থেকে মুক্ত হয়েছে। তাহলে এই যে বলা হলো পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এর কথা, এই আইডিয়াটা ভেক। পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং কখন আসবে? একটা মানুষের মধ্যে থাকা 6 ট্রু ডিজিজ যদি রিসেসিভ হয়। ঠিক আছে, আর বাংলায় আমি কিছু বলছি না, আমি ইংলিশে যাচ্ছি, অনেকে অপেক্ষা করছে অবাঙালি। There is a story, not a story. It was happened in 1986, Boston in America. A very wonderful and interesting experiment was done by the scientist. An accused was sentenced to death for serious wrongdoings and crimes. And that very accused was sentenced to death by hanging. At that time, some scientists suggested a test on the accused. With the permission of government and prison authority, the convicted was heard that he would be executed by cobra bites instead of hanging. On the appointed day, the prisoner's hands and feet were tied and was put in a chair and blindfolded. Instead of cobra snake bite, 2 safety pins were put on his body and was died within a few seconds. Next day, it was known from post-mortem report that snake venom was found in his body and it died with that poison. Now the question is, from where this snake venom was there in the body of the accused? Actually, there is no satisfactory answer. Only scientists are telling with negative thoughts or negative thinking, the harmful hormone and enzymes are produced. By that very hormones and enzymes were produced from the negative thinking. And that very negative thinking is the source, and that source, there was the snake venom, the poisonous snake venom, the poison like body materials are produced, and with that very poison the accused was died. But this explanation I must reject as because nobody can think according to his wish. By this way, patients sometimes tell that, yes, doctor, when I am is nearby you in your chamber, I feel very courageous. That time I am very much courageous, no anxious inside me, no terrified state in my mind. But when immediately after going home, that very negative thoughts, that very terrified state, that very anxiety reappear. I can't understand how it happened. What magic you are doing with me or everybody? As because when we are with you, no anxiety, nothing, no fear, nothing. But immediately after leaving you, all these negative thoughts come back. But from my study, from my research work, I have invented the mystery. What it is? The mystery is nothing. This is science. Everybody of the human race come to the world with 6 true diseases according to Mr. Hahnemann, according to Mr. James Tyler Keynes.
Sir, this is Amit. Sir, this is Amit. I want one clarification on this subject from you. May I?
What? Please.
The story which not story actually, this is a real story actually, which you explain just explained right now. I think there is one indication in the last para of that story that scientist made one a poison that is the same effect of the cobra, but that was produced from the blood vessels or blood cells from that very much body. That means our own body can produce one kind of poison, the same power of the cobra, which can kill ourselves. That is what actually last para wants to tell, that story, that US scientist team has made that kind of that kind of poison from that patient's body.
How it is possible?
Yeah, that I want to explain. That I want your explanation through your observation. That is it possible to make the poison from the body?
Yeah. When we are attacked with any disease, may be infectious, may not be infectious, with the sign and symptoms of all the disease, so-called disease, not true disease, infectious or non-infectious. The sign and symptoms we see and we observe. If that very sign and symptoms is produced by the poisonous materials, by the harmful product of the body created inside the body.
Right.
Every time you
Okay.
will be astonished after hearing that cancer is the most dangerous till today, as because no medicine can overcome that very situation. What it is, that there is no proper cell division, only nuclear division. Why it is? Due to some stimulating agent. And that very stimulating agent is so dangerous that after applying that chemo, means severe poison, it is said that if poisonous snake bite that very person who is taking that very chemotherapy, that poisonous product, the snake will die, but the man will not die. The individual will not die. So
Yeah.
how after taking that very poison, how that person is living, that is that poison and that poison, one poison of the body and poison of the chemical, what is given to the individual, the victim, those two poison is neutralize each other.
Then
That
what is the answer
indicates-
in our method, sir?
That indicate that our body can make the poison more dangerous than snake venom. And how it is possible? Now this is possible from our negative thinking. From where this negative thinking come? This will happen, I will die, this world will destroyed with that very atomic war. All this negative thinking always produce very harmful product inside the body. And that very harmful product, from that very harmful product, we become very much diseased. So many symptoms produced like anorexia, sleeplessness, acidity, migraine, high pressure, hypercholesteremia, hyperglycemia, everything is produced from that very anxious state, the negative thoughts. So you please think about this. Any negative thought, any, can instantly produce the poisonous product. How it is possible? See, someone insult you. On that very moment, if you are not healthy, not that sense, perfectly healthy, according to real homeopathy, when you are not healthy, that very insulting word may create inside you the hypertension. The blood pressure may come suddenly, instantly. Migraine may started instantly. Many things can happen. But that very, after hearing that very insulting word, within few seconds, no time will be needed. Within few seconds after hearing insulting word, all these things happen. And if it is repeatedly going on with you, then after that, even cancer may grow, even cancer may start. After this continuous humiliation, continuous insulting, then you think, what? can our body can make all this poisonous product after negative thinking, after adverse effects. Situation
sir,
of the
negative thinking is the main reason
product
of
of
cancer.
no, see, negative think is the product of predominant 6 to diseased individual.
So
In
is there,
other
sir,
words,
one here one
those
question,
very
sir.
person,
One-
see, those very person are having predominant 6 true diseases. Their body can disturb their body, sorry, their vital force may be disturbed, deranged, disordered within a very short time. It may be within a few seconds even. And after
Sir, how will
that,
prevent? Sir, how will prevent that thing through our real homeopathy?
yeah, we can prevent, as because with real homeopathy we can we can make recessive to the predominant 6 true diseases. By this, negative thought instantly change to the positive. That is why after taking Carbovez, where it is indicated, after taking Carbovez, all the negative thoughts maybe disappear. Not maybe, must be disappear. By this way, the immunity may be
So even we
No.
can address the last stage of cancer. We can address.
yeah, we can prevent even cancerous complication even. And when, like COVID, even when a person come with cancer, we can we must help with this real homeopathy. It may be for hypertension, it may be for hypercholesteremia, it may be for hyperglycemia. In each and all every cases, that the main thing is the necessary, the healthy vital force. Healthy vital force, where there is healthy vital force means that very individual is treated with real homeopathy for being a recessive 6 true disease from predominant state. In every case, when we are having predominant 6 true disease, one or more than one, there must be negative thinking. There must be negative thinking. Where there is no predominant state of true diseases, there will be no negative thoughts, negative thinking. But this someone is thinking very positively. Someone is claiming that I have no fear, I am not in anxious state due to COVID, as because I am healthy. I am doing a hard exercise. I am doing pranayam. I am doing everything and everything. I am maintaining a very much healthy criteria. So, no COVID will not attack me. No COVID will attack me. Suddenly, he heard that one of his friends is tested positive COVID-19. And that very friend came to this friend's house. Within few seconds, after hearing this COVID positive test of his friend, the panic will start. Yeah, that very friend came to my house, and we were few hours in a place, and we also touch everybody with each other. So what can I do? I must consult with the doctor. But before hearing this word, tested negative of his friend, he was very much healthy. No anxiety, nothing was there. But see, within a few seconds, after hearing the friend's condition, the negative thinking started. Why it was? As because the person was healthy superficially, not internally. Means that very individual never treated with real homeopathy. That very individual was treated with maybe classical homeopathy, maybe allopathy, maybe Ayurvedic, maybe Unani. As because all the therapeutic system, excluding real homeopathy, they treat the individual superficially for the symptom, not for the real homeopathy. Sorry, not for the true diseases. Am I clear? Again, I am telling those who are demand that they are very much healthy, no unhealthy state. আমি কি স্পিচ দিচ্ছি 10টার পর কথা বলবো। Then what I can repeat a little bit, that is when a person treated otherwise, not with real homeopathy, means that all those individual is treated this way, means they are treated regarding their superficial symptom, that is for suffering only. They are never treated why this suffering is there. It means the cause of suffering. Why they are suffering from different problems, not considering this point. All the therapeutic system is considered the symptom, the suffering, and with this they prescribe medicine. Only real homeopathy consider the origin of this very suffering. They never require this very symptom. Location, causation, sensation, modality, concomitance, desire, aversion, nothing is needed. No rubrics is needed. Yes, no blood report is not needed, but report is needed for knowing what is the situation, but not for the treatment. Pathological report is not needed for the treatment. It is needed only for the diagnosis, what type of patient is treated with a real homeopath. I think it is clear. So now I can brief all the negative thinking come from predominant true diseases. All the positive thinking come from recessive true diseases. Predominant recessive predominant 6 true diseases is possible only with the treatment of, only with the help of the treatment of a real homeopathy. As because in real homeopathy, no individual is treated depending on the sufferings, depending on the symptoms, depending on the pathological reports. Each and every individual is treated for the origin of the today's suffering, today's adverse situation, today's sign and symptoms, today's pathological report. So, in one word, I can tell you one thing, that if we supply water to the root of the tree, if we give water or water the tree at the root, that very water must reach each and every leaves, each and every branch of the tree, each and every flower of the tree, each and every cell, tissue of the tree. So, no question of the treatment of flower, of leaf, of fruit, or branches. So I can tell this type of treatment for different part of the tree is unscientific. Not only unscientific, it is harmful also. How I can tell this? For this, I must mention Dr. James Tyler Kane's instruction,
Sir, please
Kane's
don't mind.
advice.
I requested Dr. Anuradha Sen. She disturbed much more.
Then what Kane has told, very valuable, most authentic regarding the, which is very much helpful for inventing this very real homeopathy. What it is? It is very enthusiastic. What it is? Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease. Means when a patient is calm, a patient comes with any suffering, if medicine is given by any patient, patient immediately feel comfort. Patient immediately feel comfort. But what it is going to happen in future? Kent has told, prescribing for the result of the disease, that very suffering, A, B, C, D, causes changes in the result of the disease, means everything will be okay, but not in the sickness. What this sickness means? This sickness means predominant state of 1 to 6 true diseases. 1 to 6 true diseases. Am I clear? 1 to 6 true diseases. This very part is never mentioned. Even not James Tyler Kane, not Master Hahnemann. They never. They told this very thing. Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. But what sickness means? Everybody should know. Those who are related with therapeutic science, what sickness means. Sickness means predominant state of 1 or more than 1.
Not of the boleche,
6
10
true
chale.
diseases.
Next.
Okay. So then what it is? Now prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, not in the sickness. It is hurry its progress, but hurry is not. Prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of the disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. Why? As treatment is done, treatment is given only for the suffering, not from the origin, that is true diseases. That is why all the true diseases become complex and complex and complex. And in future, that very treatment throw to the complicated disease condition. So, someone is having complicated state means maybe cancer, may not be cancer, maybe COVID, may not be COVID, means it may be infectious or non-infectious. Is the physician is responsible. Physician, yes, only the physician is responsible for this very complicated state, who has given treatment for the superficial suffering and given comfort to the individual. And that time, the individual is very much satisfied with doctor. Even that very patient pray to the God, please save my physician for treating me. Today I have given online one thing. Have you seen or not? Very purposeful, so I am telling. Healthy baby is born. I have told you in the beginning. Healthy baby is born. Mom takes him to doctor. Doctor gives him vaccines. Child develops ear infection and other issues. Doctor prescribes antibiotics and Tylenol. I don't know what is Tylenol. Child continues to develop infection and illness, continues to develop. Doctor prescribes more antibiotics and Tylenol. Child develops food allergy and eczema. Doctor gives him more vaccines. Child develops asthma and ADHD. Doctor prescribes steroids and Ritalin. Mom thanks doctor for helping her child. That is why I always told what it is. All the complicated situation for an individual, the physician is responsible for the superficial idea, for treating the sufferings only, for treating the painful suffering. Only treatment is doing for the suffering humanity, for the complicated state in future. Today, COVID is one of them. Before giving medicine, you have to take the case properly. Today you may give Carbapenem, as I have told many times, but you must be very alert that that very individual is of having any pathophilosophical medicine or not. See, for example, some individual, some patient, someone is having hydrophobinum as pathophilosophically indicated. To that very patient, if you give Carbapenem as preventive medicine, that Carbapenem must produce harmful effect instantly. So, before giving anybody carbamazepine as preventive, you must be confirm yourself that there is no pathophilosophical indication of any medicine. Again, I also told, if you know the pathophilosophical indication, that time also you have to give carbamazepine. If there is any adverse situation, then you change, until and unless after giving carbamazepine there is some adverse symptom, sign and symptom or suffering arise, you must continue carbamazepine. Otherwise, you have to think twice. After carbamazepine, if it is creating problem, if it creates problem, you must give the next one, the pathophilosophically indicated medicine. I think everybody is clear with this thing. Can I go next topics? Because this very thing I have told many times, but today's negative thinking and positive thinking I never uttered in my any classes previously. That is why I take very much interest with this very fact.
ভালো লাগছে না এটা
This fact is very much interesting
ছোট্টই ভালো গো
regarding.
হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা, এদেরকে আনমিউট করে দিন অথবা ব্লক করে দিন, এরা কথা বলছে অথচ আলোচনায় রয়েছে। তাহলে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এবং পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং ইউ শুড নো very clearly, as because sometimes you also
উপর
think negatively. How?
কাল দেবে
Chamber, today there is no patient. If tomorrow there is, yesterday there is no patient. If tomorrow there will be no patient, what can I do? What will be the children's regarding fooding or tuition fees or everything? By this thinking, no sleep at night, no proper appetite. See what is going on? But if you are healthy in all respect, with the help of the treatment of real homeopathy, that time you must think, okay, maybe 2-3 days may not, the patient may not come. After that, patient must come. As because so many patients treated by me, they are very much healthy now. They are okay in all respect. Even COVID patient also. So patient must come. Something wrong is there. That is why 3 days there is no patient. But before that, so many patients it was. But if you are not healthy, you must think that I am thinking patient will not come to me. I have to find out another profession like LIC agencies or another business. I have to seek. See what type of negative thinking from it has come. It has come from predominant throat disease. What you are having means you are not treated yourself properly. That is why that very negative thinking created in you so many adverse situations like anorexia, means loss of appetite, sleeplessness at night, hypertension, blood pressure may high, gradually blood sugar may high, and so many problems, even kidney problem, chronic renal failure. It may also happen a tumor has produced. Later on, it was tested cancerous. So origin is what? Origin is negative thinking. So negative thinking is very much important. You please mind it. No, if there is negative thinking in you, any time, any problem may arise, even cancer, even COVID. So you treat yourself, maybe your family member, maybe your patient. So I have arranged previously, I had arranged previously a seminar on consciousness. Actually, negative thinking, what is negative thinking? Another name of negative thinking is consciousness. And what is the name of the positive thinking? Its another name is freedom. There is one chapter I have written in magazine. It is also you can see in the book also, in my magazine also, book also. The chapter is consciousness versus freedom. So one thing you must clear now what it is. It is negative thinking means it is consciousness. And Kant very beautifully write in a chapter, Disordered Fast in Vital Force, what it is written in Organon, aphorism 1, Master Samuel Hahnemann has written, the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick. In the aphorism first, Organon of Medicine. But Kant has uttered like this type of sentence. It is written in the chapter that is Disordered Fast in Vital Force. What he has written? He has written, the physician's only duty is to give the freedom. To give the freedom. What it means? From consciousness, patient will come to you, or you yourself. You are having so many negative thinking, that means consciousness, and you have to take medicine yourself, or you have to give your patient, your family members. What medicine you give? You consider that very consciousness. And if your medicine is right, your procedure of treatment is right, that very patient must overcome the state of consciousness, and that individual must reach to the state of freedom. So freedom is free from disease state. Consciousness is diseased state. Consciousness is from negative thinking. Freedom is from positive thinking. So the procedure of treatment, what will be the procedure? Procedure of treatment will be, you have to select medicine. You have to administer medicine for that very consciousness. And we can find out this the origin of this very consciousness. Which two diseases is responsible? Psoriatic miasm, seborrheic miasm, psychotic miasm, tubercular diathesis, post-trauma syndrome, post-traumatic syndrome, all these things. So let us try with this real homeopathy, how we can easily send a conscious individual to the state of freedom. And that is real homeopathy. This very word also Kant mentioned, that the physician's duty is to reach the patient. What? The freedom, the state of freedom from a state of consciousness. So a state of consciousness is negative thinking, and a state of freedom is positive thinking. And a state of consciousness is from predominant disease state, and a state of freedom is recessive disease state, not free from disease, a recessive disease state. How it is being recessive? It is by the treatment of real homeopathy. So this is the way we can proceed with COVID patient, with non-COVID patient, with cancerous individual, with anything. But our aim is one. What it is to reach each and every individual to the to reach, or better to say, to send the diseased individual, that is conscious individual, to the state of freedom. I think this consciousness, negative thinking, freedom, positive thinking, this new idea, you should think about this after today's class. And it will help you to reach the idea of real homeopathy. This very word also used by the teacher, by the master, James Tyler Kent also. So let us try with this very divine idea, which is God gifted, that is real homeopathy. I think today it is enough for 1 week to think about this, how we can proceed, how we should proceed. Sir Gautam Babu. Hello.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we can